Oh, look who's back. Gabby.
Oh, is that Gabby?
Hello, how are you? Anthony, do you want to end up on this guy's YouTube channel? If you don't, tell him to go away.
Good job, Gabby. You want to work him up some more?
What?
Said you want to work him up some more? Said you want
hear you.
You want to work him up some more?
Work him up, and you're not helping.
That guy drown?
The fact, Jeffrey.
Did you enjoy it?
Have a good day.
Did you enjoy it?
Oh, look who's back. Gabby.
Oh, is that Gabby? Nice.
Who is Jeffrey? Well, he is one of the Tempe officers that watched a homeless man drown after they harassed him. Here are a few clips of that incident to give you an idea of what I'm talking about.
How 3 Tempe police officers responded to a man drowning.
ABC 15's Zach Crenshaw with more on that 35-year-old's final moments as police and loved ones watched.
The body camera video showing 3 Tempe officers standing right here on this walkway has now been seen around the country and the world. And there's growing debate of how those officers acted as Sean Bickings drowned 40 yards away.
What are you doing, my friend?
No one knows what Sean Bickings was thinking when he jumped into Tempe Town Lake.
What are you doing?
That morning, the 34-year-old experiencing homelessness hadn't committed a crime. He did have some minor drug warrants, though.
The subject that by Paul 11 was running was jumped in the lake and was trying to swim away.
Bickings swam 40 yards out. Minutes later, he started struggling, then calling for help.
Do officers have an obligation to jump in after somebody in distress?
No, they don't. We run into an understanding that's been established by the Supreme Court that law enforcement does not have a duty to protect.
But Clark Neely, an attorney with the DC think tank Cato Institute, wonders about another question.
If it had been a fellow police officer about to drown, how likely do you think it is that these 3 couldn't have thought of anything to do in order to assist without exposing themselves to risk?
Yeah, no, I agree with him. If somebody I worked with fell in there, I'd be jumping over there to help them too, you know, so it's normal.
If somebody I worked with fell in there, I'd be jumping over there to help them too, you know.
But just before he goes under, Bickings yells, "I can't touch. Oh God, please help me, help me."
The officers are on paid leave. The officers are on paid leave and the
Sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Where you going?
What are you doing, my friend? Huh? What are you doing?
I gotta go for a swim. Right? I'm free to go, right? You can't swim in the lake, man. I'm free to go, right?
You're not allowed to swim in the lake. How far do you think he's going to be able to swim? Would you like to see what it looks like inside?
I've been in it. Step away.
No, this is my vehicle.
You're correct. It's also my vehicle. I pay for that with my taxpayer money.
So I don't have to go away.
Okay, I don't have to go away either. Look how close he is to me, you guys. That's Gibbons.
Back off.
Gibby.
If you don't like me, back off.
You back off. You walked up to me.
You're coming around my vehicle.
I was 10 feet away from your vehicle. I'm 10 feet away from your vehicle.
You what's inside.
I've been in it.
Okay.
I was 10 feet away from your vehicle. You do understand that you're going to be a YouTube star.
I don't care.
Either.
I don't care. I'm doing my job. Have fun, sir.
You?
I don't do what you tell me to do.
You do.
No.
You work for me.
No.
You work for me. Go grab your supervisor.
No. You can go find them.
Go grab your supervisor.
No. Go find them.
You're making a real fool of yourself. You're a
Why do you try to hurt my feelings?
Because you're a pig. All cops are bastards.
Okay. I haven't heard that before.
Oh, I know you have.
You think you hurt my feelings?
I hope I hurt all your feelings, even your cop family feelings.
You don't.
You see, I was going to stay here longer than you were.
Good.
Yeah.
Good for you.
Good for you. Good for you, Gabby.
Did you just have a victory, sir?
I did. Now walk away. Walk away. Get ready to put your people in your van and take them.
Do that.
Pretty sure there's like turbines at the base of the dam that can suck. Hey dude, hey, please, let's go and have a seat right here for real quick, please, over chat. What's going on? I don't know. I don't know. Just sit down right here, please. Okay.
What's up, everybody? Now, you saw this incident from one body camera angle. This is another body camera angle from Brian Berman. Now, this man did not want to ID, and he didn't have to ID, but watch how the cops lie to you and threaten you with jail to get your identity when you don't have to give it.
Is there anything illegal, sir?
Huh?
Is there anything illegal?
Somebody said that you guys are involved in domestic fight, so I just gotta do my job. Stay seated, please.
I want to get my phone, please. I want to record this, please.
I'm recording right here. What's your first name?
First one, I have to do this. Right here.
Gabby.
I have to just do it by lawyer.
She's over there in that corner. Female half's in that corner. What's your first name?
First, I have to read this to you. This is my lawyer. I need to get my camera to record all police cameras and evidence in this court of law document. The actual law on camera is equivalent to the law. I don't have to do this here. Alright, so after this moment, you reasonably should know that in the U.S. all public servants are personally liable, especially if they refuse to let me explain the law to them. If they make or enforce or even neglect to prevent anything to the contrary of these clearly established fundamental principles or the common laws of the humankind and the supreme law of the land, I'm glad to explain to you or have you heard this before?
Okay, I'm going to explain something to you real quick right now, okay? So, refusing to identify yourself while I'm conducting a criminal investigation, okay, is considered a misdemeanor.
What crime has been committed?
Okay, it's called refusing to identify yourself.
I have the laws right here. This is like from the Black's Law Dictionary. Up to date stuff. 2000.
But listen, I'm explaining to Arizona revised statutes, okay?
This is from Arizona. This is written from Arizona.
But I'm letting you know, if you refuse to identify yourself, all right, there is a great possibility that you will be arrested. Pay attention to every lie that this cop is saying. This is what they do to everybody in Arizona. If there's not a camera recording them that's not involved in the incident, they lie to you and say that it's unlawful to not identify to a police officer, and that's not how the ARS is written. You don't just walk up to somebody and say, I got a call, I need your ID. That's not how the ARS is written, Brian. So something that could be from a, hey, you guys knock it off, be cool, don't have any more problems, could go from that to where you guys go underway to where you go to jail. You know, it is federally illegal for a police officer to use his authority to threaten you out of giving up your civil rights when you haven't done anything wrong. Okay, so can you please, before you finish reading that, I would like to know. Well, listen to me real quick.
My lawyer told me to read this to you. I know the law very well. You know,
but just listen to me real quick. Okay.
You have a choice. You have choices to make it when I have a choice to make too. I have to do this.
I know, but I'm just explaining something. I'm just giving you a heads up because I'm being totally open and transparent with you because I don't want to jam you up for anything. Okay. I will let you read that to me, but before that, I would like to know who I am talking to first. Okay. So if you can identify yourself to me first, I will let you read that, and I will acknowledge all that stuff you're reading to me. I just need to know who I am talking to first.
It's called due process, though. I have that right to due process.
Okay.
Right?
You have right to due process through the courts. But right now, during this investigation, at this moment right here, that you're continuing to delay, All right, you're going to wind up getting in trouble for that. And like I said, I don't want to jam you up for that.
Sir?
I would rather let you guys go along your way instead of having to book you into jail. So I'm asking you, can you please identify yourself to me? This is sick and hard to watch. I mean, how many of you has this happened to? How many of you have fallen for the lies that this man is spitting to this guy? I mean, this cop doesn't even know what he's talking about. Pay attention.
Yes, of course I can.
Okay, what is your first name? It's not that hard.
I'm going to turn my camera on. That's it. Give it in, right? All right, so my name is Wendell Bickings.
Spell your first name.
W-E-N-D-L-L.
W-E-N.
D-E-L-L.
B or D?
D.
D-E-L-L?
Yes, Wendell Bickings.
Last name?
Bickings.
Spell that.
B as in boy, I-C-K-I-N-G-S.
B-I-K?
B-I-C-K-I... B as in boy, I-C-K-I-N-G-S.
All right. One more time. A little bit slower, a little bit louder.
B as in boy, I-C-K-I-N-G-S.
B-I-C-K? I-N-G-S? What's your birthday? For your social security number so I can verify all this. You want to read your advisement to me?
Yes.
I appreciate you identifying yourself. Thank you. I appreciate you identifying yourself. Thank you. That's something you say to somebody that did something willingly. You threatened his freedom and made him give up his name. He didn't have to do that. The Fourth Amendment is still in play in America, and you did not lawfully detain this man to get his ID. You have effectively violated his Fourth Amendment and forced him to identify when he legally didn't have to.
All right, so... Yes, it is.
You can finish reading that if you want.
Okay, yeah, so, all right, just for
Now that you're all caught up on who exactly Jeffrey Gebbe is, let's review a recent encounter with him. You will clearly see, and hear, him instigate the detained person, for no reason and obviously in an attempt to agitate him further.
Hello, how are you? Is that you, Darian Barrett?
Is that you, Gabby?
How are you?
How are you?
Anthony, do you want to end up on this guy's YouTube channel? If you don't, tell him to go away. He runs a YouTube channel. He likes to take videos of police.
Now, watch the effects of those comments. The person immediately becomes aggressive towards us.
That's Bennett too.
Oh.
Don't jump in any water, they'll watch you drown.
Hand off me, man.
Hey, that's a good job, Gabby. Antagonize people. Good job, Gabby. You want to work them up some more?
Hear you, what?
Said you want to work them up some more?
I can't hear you.
Take the clear here. Said you want to work them up some more?
Work him up?
Yeah.
He doesn't want to be filmed by you.
The person didn't even know we were here until Jeffrey pointed us out to the person. Let's review that segment of video again.
Hello, how are you? Is that you, Darian Barrett?
Is that you, Gabby?
How are you?
How are you?
Anthony, do you want to end up on this guy's YouTube channel? Do you want to end up on this guy's YouTube channel? If you don't, tell him to go away.
Seems like instigating to me. What about you?
So what?
So why would you film him now?
So you're working him up to try and say something to us?
No.
Yeah.
No. He doesn't want to be filmed by you. I'm trying to do my job and help him. What are you doing? And you're not helping.
That guy drown? Did you enjoy it?
Have a good day.
Did you enjoy it?
Have a good day.
Don't forget Mad Rocks, Jeffrey. Don't forget Mad Rocks, Bennett.
Have a good day.
Did you enjoy watching that dude drown, Bennett?
Nice to see you, Darian Barrett.
Made you the asshole.
Hey man, we're here for you. These cops watch people drown.
They watch Mad Rocks drown.
this out, man. Your people the one who got me in this motherfucker. Why don't you leave me the phone? Racist motherfucker.
Racist.
That's why in the pen I was whooping 2-3 of y'all mother line.
Have a good night, Gabby. Bennett.
After watching all 3 officer body cam videos, it's clear these individuals lack basic human compassion. These are simple paycheck mercenaries, operating under the false belief they are helping.
They went over there. You have a good night, man. He looks upset.
Dude, that cop was, dude, he straight antagonized and set that up.
Oh, I know. Is this another one on the left over here?